This video to help other trixx owners with this sort of issue. Right, you've got your little loose steering, you lock it in place, but it doesn't stay locked, just plays around and moves wherever it wants. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. This unit has around 105 hours, and yeah, I've talked to other trixx owners within the same hour range, and they also have that problem with steering fully locked and still got that much play. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So as you can see, we've got this, which is the locking mechanism. Goes in through here and out here. If you'll see here, it has flat edges where you can use a wrench. So what you're going to want to use is get a 15mm wrench and just get it in there just like that. Sorry for the camera. And just tighten it and tighten it just like so. Shove that in there, and yep, just like that. Just get her in there, see, and you can tighten it just like that. Right, come on this side, get her in there, and then just tighten like that. And as you can see, that does fix most of the issues. It's got no play. That play that we had before, it's minimal, so I'll tighten it a bit more, but yeah, that's how you can fix that.